Welcome to an exploration of essential Excel skills. Today, we'll uncover the art of copying formulas without changing cell references. Join us as we delve into two efficient methods that will enhance your Excel proficiency. Let's embark on this journey of formula copying mastery. You copy formulas from a range of cells to other cells in the same column or row to perform the same action. If your formulas contains relative cell references, then Excel will change the reference address to its own row or column. And most of time, this is what you want. But if you just only want to copy these formulas from cells to other cells in the same row or column without changing its cell references, how to achieve it? Let's kick off with the first method. If you want to copy formulas from a range of cells without changing its cell references, you can use the Excel Find and Replace feature as following steps. Select cells with formulas that you want to copy. Go to Home tab, click Find and select Command under the Editing group, or you can directly press Ctrl+H shortcuts to open the Find and Replace dialog. Switch to Replace tab in the Find and Replace windows, then type ## in the Find What text box, and input #, or any other symbol character in the Replace with text box. Then click Replace All button. After all =sign are changed to # in selected cells, and you can copy formulas in selected cells to anywhere without changing its cell references, since the formulas has been converted into text string in Excel. You can select cells that you want to copy, press shortcuts Ctrl+C. Then select one cell that you want to paste the formulas, and press Ctrl+V. You will see that the formulas were copied to another cells without changing those cell references, as Excel does not treat the formulas with # as formulas. They are just text strings. Select both changed cells, then you need to reverse the changes from # to $. Press Ctrl+H to open the Find and Replace dialog, input # in the Find What box, and input $= in the Replace with box. Then click Replace All button. If you have a range of cells with the formulas that you want to copy, you can also use a Notepad to copy and paste the formulas without changing those cell references. You can refer to the following steps. Go to Formulas tab, then click Show Formulas command under Formula Auditing group. Or you can press the Ctrl+/ shortcut to enter into the Formula View mode. Select the cells with the formulas that you want to copy, and press Ctrl+C to copy it. Open Notepad and press Ctrl+V to paste the formulas there. Then copy all formulas from Notepad. Select the top cell where you want to paste the formulas and then press Ctrl+V to paste it. Go to Formulas tab, click Show Formulas command again to toggle out the Formula View mode. Or press Ctrl+/ shortcut again. By mastering these two methods, you gain the power to copy formulas with precision, maintaining cell references as you navigate through your Excel worksheets. Stay tuned for more insights, and don't forget to subscribe for future tips. Share this newfound knowledge with your fellow Excel enthusiasts. Thanks for watching.